Hello students, welcome all of you to the online digital class. It is my second part. In my first part, I have discussed briefly about the topic, about the author and about para 1. Okay, and now I am going to teach about para 2. Here I want to say one thing that for easy reading and understanding, the new topic at the high school is divided into 7 para. Para 1 is described about Mahatma Gandhi's studies. Para 2 is about his recollection and punishment. Para 3 is about his likes, dislikes and games. Para 4 is about his reward. Para 5 is about his handwriting. And para 6 about his subjects. And para 7 is about his teachers. Okay. And I have already discussed about para 1 in my part 1 video. Okay. And today I am going to teach about para 2. But before that I want to recapitulate about para 1. That what are the important points are in para 1. Students, the important points of para 1 are Mahatma Gandhi was not regarded as a fool in his school time. Okay, and he always enjoyed the affection of his teachers. He never had a bad certificate during his school career, and he won prizes after his second standard. And he also got scholarships of rupees 4 and 10 in standard 5th and 6th. And for that, he thanked good luck more than his merit. So, my dear students, you should remember all these points, okay, about para 2 and its hard points. My dear students, open your book and look at para 2. My own recollection is that I did not have any high regard for my ability. It means M.K. Gandhi was not good in study but good in conduct. He behaved goodly with others, so everybody liked him. I used to be astonished whenever I won prizes and scholarships. It means as he was not a brilliant student, he became surprised when he won prizes and scholarships. But I very jealously guarded my character. It means M.K. Gandhi was not an intelligent student, but he was very much cautious about his character. That is, how to behave with teachers, with elders, and with friends and youngers. The least little blemish drew tears from my eyes. It means M.K. Gandhi was a simple and kind-hearted boy. He walked in the path of truth and justice. If someone blamed him, he was started crying then. When I merited or seemed to the teacher to merit a rebuke, it was unbearable for me. It means, as he was in the path of truth and came to know that he will get punishment, at that time he could not tolerate himself. I remember having once received corporal punishment. I did not so much mind the punishment as the fact that it was considered my desert. I wept piteously. That was when I was in the first or second standard. It means when he was in standard 1 or 2, here M.K. Gandhi could not remember the exact class at that time. He had done a mistake. And for that reason he had got a corporal punishment. But at that time he was not so sad because it was his desire as he had done the mistake. There was another such incident during the time when I was in the 7th standard. Dorabji Idulji Jimmy was the headmaster then. He was popular among the boys as he was a disciplinarian, a man of method and a good teacher. He made gymnastics and cricket compulsory for the boys of upper standard. It means another incident happened when M.K. Gandhi was in standard 7. At that time, Dorabji Idulji Jimmy was the headmaster. He was very much popular for his discipline, for his teaching and as a good teacher. The headmaster thought about the all-round development of students, that is physical, mental and spiritual development of the students. So he had included gymnastics and cricket as compulsory for upper class students. I disliked both. I never took part in any exercise, cricket or football, before they were made compulsory. My shyness was one of the reasons for this aloofness, which I now see wrong. I had then the false notion that gymnastics had nothing to do with education. Today, I know that physical training should have much place in the curriculum as mental training. It means at that time, M.K. Gandhi did not like gymnastics and cricket because he had the wrong notion that the gymnastics and cricket did not have any role in education. Another cause for his disliking of gymnastics and cricket is his shyness. But later he came to know that the physical exercise had a vital role for mental development. Summary of Para 2 in ଓଡ଼ିଆ ପିଲାମାନେ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫରେ ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀ ନିଜର ସ୍ମରଣ ଶକ୍ତି ବିଷୟରେ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରିଛନ୍ତି। ଉଚ୍ଚ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟରେ ପଢ଼ୁଥିବା ସମୟରେ ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବି ପୁରସ୍କାର ଏବଂ ବୃତ୍ତି ପାଉଥିଲେ ଚକିତ ହୋଇଯାଉଥିଲେ କାରଣ ସେ ଜଣେ ମେଧାବୀ ଛାତ୍ର ନଥିଲେ। ତେଣୁ ସେ ମନେ ପକାଇ କହୁଥିଲେ ଯେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ଦକ୍ଷତା ପାଇଁ କୌଣସି ପୁରସ୍କାର ବା ସମ୍ମାନ ପାଉନଥିଲେ ବରଂ ତାଙ୍କର ପରିଶ୍ରମ ଓ ଉତ୍ତମ ବ୍ୟବହାର ପାଇଁ ପାଉଥିଲେ। ସେ ସର୍ବଦା ତାଙ୍କ ଚରିତ୍ର ପ୍ରଦର୍ଶନ ପ୍ରତି ସଜାଗ ଥିଲେ। ତେଣୁ ସେ କାହାରିକୁ ଖରାପ ବ୍ୟବହାର ଦେଖାଉନଥିଲେ। ସେଥିପାଇଁ କେହି ବି ଯଦି ତାଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ସାମାନ୍ୟତମ ଦୋଷ ଲଦି ଦେଉଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ଆଖିରୁ ଲୁହ ଝରି ଆସୁଥିଲା। କାହାରି ପାଖରୁ ଗାଳି ଶୁଣିବା ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଥିଲା ଅସହ୍ୟ ଯନ୍ତ୍ରଣା। ଥରେ ସେ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟରେ ଶାରୀରିକ ଦଣ୍ଡ ପାଇଥିଲେ ଯେତେବେଳେ କି ସେ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ଶ୍ରେଣୀରେ ଅଧ୍ୟୟନ କରୁଥିଲେ। ସପ୍ତମ ଶ୍ରେଣୀରେ ପଢ଼ୁଥିବା ବେଳେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଅନ୍ୟ ଏକ ଘଟଣା ଘଟିଥିଲା। ସେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟର ପ୍ରଧାନ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଥିଲେ ଦରାବଜୀ ଇଦୁଲଜୀ ଜିମି। ସେ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଅତ୍ୟନ୍ତ ପ୍ରିୟ ଥିଲେ କାରଣ ସେ ଶୃଙ୍ଖଳିତ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ତଥା ଜଣେ ଭଲ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଥିଲେ। ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କର ସର୍ବାଙ୍ଗୀନ ଉନ୍ନତି କଥା ସେ ଚିନ୍ତା କରୁଥିଲେ। ସେ ଉଚ୍ଚ ଶ୍ରେଣୀର ବାଳକମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଜିମ୍ନାଷ୍ଟିକ୍ସ ଓ କ୍ରିକେଟ ଖେଳକୁ ବାଧ୍ୟତାମୂଳକ କରିଥିଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀ ଦୁଇଟି ଯାକକୁ ନାପସନ୍ଦ କରୁଥିଲେ। ଏହା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେ କେବେ ବି କୌଣସି ବ୍ୟାୟାମ କ୍ରିକେଟ କିମ୍ବା ଫୁଟବଲ ଖେଳରେ ଅଂଶଗ୍ରହଣ କରିନଥିଲେ। ତାଙ୍କର ଖେଳ ପ୍ରତି ଉଦାସୀନ ମନୋଭାବର ଗୋଟିଏ କାରଣ ଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କର ଲାଜକୁଳା ନୀତି ଯାହାକୁ ସେ ପର ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତରେ ଭୁଲ ବୋଲି ବିବେଚିତ କରିଥିଲେ। So my dear students, look at the important points of Para 2. First one is no high regard for his ability. अर्थात महात्मा गांधी तांकर दक्षता पाई नुहे बरं कठिन परिश्रम और उत्तम व्यवहार पाई पाउथिले। Look at the next. Astonished to win prizes and scholarships. छात्र जीवन में से कौनसी पुरस्कार एवं वृत्ति पाउथिले से चकित हो जाउथिले कारण से जड़े अत्यंत मेधावी छात्र नथिले। लुक एट द नेक्स्ट वेरी जिलसली गार्डेड हिज कैरेक्टर अर्थात महात्मा गांधी तांकर चरित्र प्रति सर्वदा सजग रहुथिले समस्त प्रति से उत्तम व्यवहार प्रदर्शन करुथिले। नेक्स्ट लीस्ट लिटिल ब्लेमिश ड्यू टीयर्स फ्रॉम हिज आईज अर्थात सामान्यतम दोषरे मध्य तांको आखिरु लुह झरी आसुला। लुक एट द नेक्स्ट एनी रिब्यूक वाज अनबियरेबल फॉर हिम अन्य कहारी गाड़ी तांको असह्य जंत्रणा देउथिला कहारी गाड़ी को से सह्य करि पारु नथिले। एंड लास्ट वन कॉर्पोरल पनिशमेंट छात्र जीवन में कौन सी भूल करुथिले तांको शारीरिक दंड मध्य दिया जाउथिला से शारीरिक दंड। सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स we learn from Para 2 that only reading and writing is not enough for a student. He must know how to behave with others, how to guard his character, how to take part in different activities and how to develop his courage. Okay. When Mahatma Gandhi was studying at the high school, he had a bad notion that gymnastics has nothing to do with education. But when he grew up and know that physical training should have much place in the curriculum as mental training. At that time he said that or he gave one quotation that by education I mean all round drawing out of the best in man, body, mind and spirit. पिला माने पुस्तक कीट हे रहिले हेबो नाही केवल पुस्तक मध्य आबद्ध होई रहिले हेबो नाही सर्वांगीन उन्नति पाई आमको पाठ पढ़ा सहित अन्यान्य कार्यक्रम भाग नेमा को होइबो। सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स आई होप यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स ऑफ Para 2 and in my next class I will discuss about Para 3 and Para 4. That's all. Thank you.